Oh, hello. So today I'm going to teach you on how to blend acrylic paints. So I'm going to start with an orange and a yellow. What I like to do is I like to start from dark to light. So as you can tell, orange is darker than yellow. So I'm going to start with yellow, excuse me. Ooh, I'm going to start with orange and paint the outer part of the circle. And then once I get a good coverage, so I get some good coverage, I'm going to go ahead and while there's still orange on the paintbrush and go ahead and put yellow on there and then start at the edge and just kind of start blending the two. Still keeping some of that orange, but just wanted to kind of create a gradient or a color between orange and yellow, so whatever mixture that makes. And as you can see, now I'm just going in with yellow to color the other side of the circle in. That way we can get this full circle blend going on. Again, I'm just going back and forth where the two colors meet. It's back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Anyway, so as you can tell, I'm just, again, all blending. The best way to blend is making sure that the colors are still wet. If one thing about acrylic paints is that they do dry fairly quickly, but a way to go about that is to make sure that your brush is wet. You can go back over some of the color, some of the paint color with some of that water, and that will help rehydrate it. And then you can go ahead and continue just blending in your colors. See, you're starting to see kind of a gradient. You see the orange, color between orange and yellow, and then you see yellow. Right now yellow is kind of overpowering the circle, but that's okay. I'm most likely going to go ahead and select the orange after I put some more yellow on here real quick. And then I'm going to go ahead and use some of that orange. I don't know why I put my fingers up there, y'all. I don't I be doing some strange things. But anyway, let me keep putting some yellow on here, I guess. And now I'm going to go back in with the orange and try to fill in some of that so there's not too much yellow in the circle. And yeah, I'm just going in with some orange or some yellow and then going back in. Eventually I'm going to get some orange, and again just going back and forth, back and forth. So you can see the difference between the orange and the yellow. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Follow for more.